Are you unable to download apps through the Microsoft Store on your computer? Try the following solutions. Solution 1. Reset Microsoft Store. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Apps tab on the left pane. In the right pane, select Installed Apps. Scroll down to the Microsoft Store app. Since the list is in alphabetical order, you can find the app easily. Click on the three dots associated with Microsoft Store. Select Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Advanced Options section in the list. Click on Reset, and then on Reset once again. Solution 2. Correct the date and time. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Time and Language tab in the left pane. In the right pane, select Date and Time. Make sure that the time zone is correct. Click on Sync now. Was this helpful? Please let us know in the comments section. Also, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.